Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Simran. Today we will learn how to create a Google form without any coding. So let's start. First of all, go to your Play Store. Type here Form app and click on this icon Form app. I had already installed this app in my phone, so that's why I'm just clicking on the open. Now this page will be displayed on your screen. You have to click on the Google form. After that, click on the plus icon. Now there are two ways to learn how to create a Google form. Number one is template, and second, you can create a blank form. Template means these are the inbuilt forms available here. You just have to click on this template and update according to your requirement. For example, you create any website and you want to get the feedback of the users. So you can use this template, website feedback. Now these are the fields available in this template. If you want to update, then you can click on this press and update according to your requirement. You can also up and down these fields. For example, I want to start this form from the email ID, and you can easily drag and drop these fields. I want to move this field here. Okay, so when you fully satisfied from this template, then click on the submit button. When you click on the submit, this page will be displayed on your screen. If you want to enable this option, then click on this checkbox. After that, click on the submit button. Now your form is creating. Now your form is successfully created. Before send this link to your friends or your relatives, you must view your form. Click on the view form. Now look at this form which you create right now. This is your form. Okay. And the second way, how to create a empty form. Click on this create blank form. Now type here the title. For example, I am making the admission form, so I am writing here the any college name. For example, ABC College, Amritsar. Description: welcome. You can enter any description according to requirement. Okay, and click on this plus button. These are the options available here. You can use any option. First of all, I am using short answer. So first of all, enter the any name, full name. Second option, I want to enter father's name. Father's name. And third, date of birth, you can use it. Type here date. Date of birth. Okay, these are other options. If you want to enter the address, so you must use this long answer. Now I want to enter the gender. For this gender, you can use multiple choice or checkbox. Now I am using multiple choice. It is also called the radio buttons. Gender. Click on the add option and type here male. Again click on the add option and type female. Okay, now again click on this plus icon and choose this drop down. In drop down, I am entering the city name and any 2 and 3 cities name. Amritsar. Second, I am using Delhi. Third, Mumbai. And that's it, enough. And you can also use the checkbox for enter any category. Category in a sense caste. You can enter journal. Second OBC and third SC. Now I am satisfied. I had all create my form. I just want to click on the submit button. One more thing, if you want to create any field mandatory, so you click on this button, means you have to be enable these icons. Full form I want to create a mandatory. Secondly, I want to create mandatory is date of birth. According to requirement, you can create fields as a mandatory. Now click on the submit. If you want to enable all this option, then click all. Otherwise, I'm just want to click only these three and submit. Now my form is creating. And that's it, my form is created successfully. I got message here, form created successfully. Now I want to view my form, so click on this view form. Yes, this is my form which I create here. Enter any email ID. Full name, father's name, date of birth, setting. I am just entering any dummy entry. Now select city, category. At the end, click on the submit. When you click on the submit button, you will collect message which is display on your screen. Your response has been recorded. Okay, now I want to visit this record in my backend. Click back. This is my form, ABC College Amritsar, and I get this response. Click on this view response. Individually. Now look at this, all the information which I enter here, it will be displayed in your backend. You can also export this file in PDF